Hello students, welcome to CBB tutorial. In this channel, we have started in the Maharashtra Board Kannada syllabus, also maths. Now we are starting chemistry for all exams 11th. I am Pramod Bugli starting this video. Okay, the contents of 11th chemistry is first chapter is some basic concept of chemistry and introduction to analytical chemistry, basic analytical techniques, structure of atom, chemical bonding, redox reaction, modern periodic table, element of group 1 and 2, elements of group 13, 14 and 15, states of matter, adsorption and colloids, chemical equilibrium, nuclear chemistry and radioactivity, basic principle of organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, chemistry in everyday life. So firstly we are starting some basic concept of chemistry. Some basic concept of chemistry includes what is chemistry, how chemistry is identified, what are the different types of chemistry, what about chemistry, what are the parts in chemistry. We are studying in this chapter. Okay, firstly you are studying chemistry, directly you came from 10th, you don't know about chemistry more. You know you all physics, chemistry, biology are in the science. So chemistry, what is chemistry? Chemistry definition: chemistry is the study of matter, its physical and chemical properties, and the physical and chemical changes it undergoes under different conditions. What it behaves. Chemistry is the study of matter. The matter. We are studying about matter also. Matter is a small particles of atoms that includes matter. Okay, its physical and chemical properties, and that reactions which undergo different conditions, what it behaves, that we are studying in chemistry. Okay, the scope of chemistry in every aspect of life. For example, the air we breathe, the food we eat, the fluids we drink, our clothing, transportation and fuels, supplies, and so on. Nature of chemistry means the different types of chemistry. What are the different types of chemistry in our everyday life? Okay, chemistry is traditionally classified further into 5 branches. Which are that 5 branches? Organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, biochemistry, and analytical chemistry. These are the pictures which shows that the branches of chemistry. Okay, students. Now, what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the study of properties and reaction of compounds of carbons. Okay, in organic chemistry we have only to study about carbon. What is carbon? How it is identified? That all we are studying in organic chemistry. Okay, then what is inorganic chemistry? It's study of all substances which are not organic. It is the study of without carbon. Okay, means we are not studying about organic chemistry in inorganic chemistry. Okay, physical chemistry is the study of principles underlying chemistry. It deals with study of properties of matter. Okay, physical chemistry is very important in all types of chemistry, so we are studying it more practical. Okay, biochemistry is the study of chemical substances and vital process occurring in the live organisms. Okay, in 11th, biochemistry is not very much, only organic, inorganic and physical are so much matter is here. Okay, we are studying these all perfectable in next videos. Okay, for we are seeing what about chemistry, what we are studying in next videos. Only we studied introduction of this some basic concept of chemistry, what chemistry and the types of chemistry. So in next video we are taking the some basic concept chemistry in deeply. So please like, subscribe and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching video. The CBB tutorial is our channel, so please subscribe. Okay.